Hi, TR here. This is the first video in my series of videos on how to navigate our CALM course. You are now looking at our course home page. At the top of our page, you'll see these icons. These icons take you to the course home page, of course. The content, checklist, discussions, assignments, quizzes, and there's another icon for grades. And you will be seeing that later as I go through these icons and create separate videos for each of them. Once you're in the course and you're going, hey, what do I do? The first thing you do is you go to the announcements, and you'll see that I've created announcements like how do I start? I've created technical challenges and welcome to CALM. You'll notice, keep scrolling, show all announcements. You'll notice that I have added a welcome. Read and Write Gold. If you have challenges reading, Read and Write Gold is a free program provided by CBE to help you if you need that additional support with your reading and writing. Again, it's free. Something else to note, accessing your CBE Gmail account. Many of you don't use email. This is an excellent explanation to help you access your Gmail account, because most of the information when I need to email you will be sent to this Gmail account. Typically I won't. I'll be using private discussions, but if there's a disconnect and I'm concerned, I will be emailing you and more than likely your parents. How to convert Mac files with extensions. I cannot read files with these extensions. I am PC based, just to let you know, and I've created an announcement on that. Turnitin, our program, our course uses Turnitin. It's plagiarism. It's a plagiarism detection software. It's an excellent software that helps me see if you have submitted original material. Bottom line, submit original material. And thoughtful replies, this is something that you will need and understand when you're doing your discussion assignments. Anyways, this is the first introduction to your CALM course. One other thing I should mention is that you do have access to Microsoft Office for free. Take advantage if you do not have Office. And here I'm talking about using your instant notifications and how to subscribe to your instant notifications. I'll mention this a little later in the section on content. This is worth 1% and very important, because when I need to communicate with me, you need to know that, hey, I want to speak to you in a literal sense of using the private discussions. Thank you. If you have any questions or concerns, this is the place where you're going to talk to me. You're going to use your private discussions. My email is not set up for communication with over 120 students. Thank you. Have a great day, and we will be moving forward. Take care. Bye now.